Crazy. See, even the cucumber, it have plastic. Why is that? If black people also get robbed or not?
Everyone gets robbed in South Africa.
So you have been robbed in South
Yeah,
Africa?
sure.
My hand is on the pepper spray and I'm keeping my
Show the
camera
pepper spray. What the heck? For the safety.
for the safety.
हेलो नमस्ते, स्वागत है आप लोगों का इस नवी वीडियो में गाइज. राइट नाउ आई एम इन साउथ अफ्रीका. आई केम टू अ न्यू कंट्री टुडे एंड द सिटी नेम इज जोबर्ग. सो राइट नाउ आई एम इन जोबर्ग. लुक एट द स्ट्रीट्स हेयर, so empty guys. Literally you see there is nobody walking here. You might have know that Joburg is one of the most dangerous city in the world. Not just in Africa, it's one of the most dangerous city in the world, but it's so developed. Look at these buildings, my goodness, it's so crazy, it's so amazing. But at the same time, when you are walking on the streets, you have to be always careful. This is Sandton area, one of the most safest area in Joburg, but still there are no people, literally. I hope nobody snatch our phone. And welcome to South Africa guys. First impression of Joburg. Two Indian girls, I'm not alone. She's my friend, she's also right here. And today I will show you in this video life in Joburg as an Indian woman. For the first time I'm witnessing South Africa, so I hope all will be well and nothing bad happens. So let's go. Guys, if you look at the streets here, they are so clean. Cars, they are going at very high speed. It's like a video game, and there is not even one garbage on the street. It's like a very developed city, Joburg, and doesn't feel like Africa at all. But at the same time, it's not really safe to move around. And at night, even yesterday I ordered food on Uber Eats, and our driver, who was like African man, he was like, please can you come fast at the gate, I'm alone outside and it's not really safe. So it's not safe even for black people, and that is crazy. That's insane. But we are trying to walk here because this is Sandton area, as I told you. Sony, say hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Very good, very happy.
Very
मजा आ
happy?
रहा है जोहानिसबर्ग में चल के.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So is it your first time in South Africa?
Yeah. It is my second time in Africa and my first time in South Africa and Johannesburg. I am shocked.
Shocked?
I did not
Why are
expect
you
this.
shocked?
I am shocked because it's such a beautiful city, but there is no one here and it's so empty.
Like, see these buildings? Most of the buildings are empty. Yeah? That's crazy, guys. No one is living here. It's insane. Because in India we have so many people.
So guys, we are walking in Sandton, but there are some homeless people in front of us, so we have to be very careful. Okay, while passing them, my hand is on the pepper spray and I'm keeping my
Show the
camera
pepper spray. What the heck? For the safety.
for the safety.
Oh my goodness.
And my camera is on the side. There is no one on the street, but we have to be careful of homeless people.
Okay. Wow, let's go to supermarket. A day in our life in Joburg.
कोई चलेगा ही नहीं इधर तो.
Guys, see the bus in Joburg. So now we have to cross that direction and see the road signs. Why? In Africa there are road signs in Joburg, in South Africa, but we saw also in Casablanca, in Morocco also there are, and of course in Addis Ababa nowadays. So, but this is one of the biggest cities I have been in Africa. This is one of the biggest, I swear to God. भाई ये क्यों क्रॉस कर रहा है? अरे So guys, we are in supermarket right now to shop some grocery. As we are staying in Airbnb, we have kitchen to cook some delicious food. Personally, I don't like food in Namibia, Botswana, Zimbabwe, these countries. Most of the cafe they have packed food. I don't know why in South African countries they have everything packed, which is crazy. See, even the cucumber, it have plastic. Why is that? My goodness, this is insane. See, everything is covered in plastic. Let me show you more. The garlic have plastic. What's the need of plastic? I don't understand. This is my biggest complaint from all the South African countries like Botswana, Namibia was also the same. Every small thing have plastic. This is nonsense. Everything, you see, everything have plastic. Crazy. Hey. A cucumber is wrapped in a plastic. Sony, खीरे पे प्लास्टिक लगाए हुए हैं.
एक खीरे में क्यों प्लास्टिक लगाया मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है. एक खीरा.
Crazy.
इनको मुझे लगता है ना, I think maybe they perceive that things are clean and high quality when they put it inside a plastic.
maybe they think it's better. But
Yeah.
okay. Is let me also give you the price comparison in Joburg, or you can say South Africa. So these are packet of 4 mangoes. Let me show you. These are just 4 mangoes, and it's like $4. That is crazy. So $4, like one mango is $1. Imagine that. So this is citrus, also in the plastic. And yeah, that's about it. Everything is in the plastic. Excuse me,
Yes, ma'am.
how much is this one?
Yeah. 6, 7 this.
One piece, how much?
It should be, what's this one?
6 or 7?
No. It should be 14.99 or 6.
14.
Let me just verify.
Okay. So guys, apple here is 6, which is cheaper than mango. So apples are cheaper. That is crazy. So let's take some apple.
54 रैंड मतलब 200 रुपये. 5 गुना लगाना है. ये मेरा दिमाग अब स्टार्ट हो गया है चलना.
Guys, South Africa, life in South Africa, this is crazy. It's my first time, so this is, everything is so new, but at the same time it's fun, it's okay. Every packed food here is so different to rest of African countries. It's totally different, and it's so packed, it's so much of chemicals that my Indian brain, it cannot process. Everything is so packed. These people, they are eating plastic. Everything is packed here. Wow, I cannot. So guys, this is supermarket in Joburg. We have done almost most of the shopping for our food, like basic survival. Now few things are left, like bread. Let's see brown bread where it is. This is not the one I want. Okay, I think this section is for bread. Let's see. This looks good. So yeah, this is, so this will be enough kind of. So let's take this one. And guys, grocery here are so expensive for the quality. Most of it is basically chemicals. I don't feel real taste in the food when I eat in these countries, and still you pay double. That is crazy. The most profit is going to the businessmen, and they are letting us eat shit. This is the grocery that we got, like some water, some pasta, jam, bread, blah blah blah. and some yogurt, some tomatoes, you can see. But the grocery is like almost $80 just. 4-day grocery. We didn't buy so much. It's very less stuff, but it's like $80. So South Africa is surely expensive if we compare to Nairobi. You know, I used to think like Nairobi is expensive than India, but now South Africa is more expensive than Nairobi. So welcome to Joburg. This is first impression, first day. I'll say it again, we are in Sandton and this area is quite safe. So we are outside, and of course inside shopping mall it's much more safe. So welcome to South Africa. भाई हम लोग रात को ऊबर करके जा रहे हैं जोहान्सबर्ग में, बट जो हमारा एयरबीएनबी भी है वो भी इसी इलाके में है, तो आई थिंक कोई दिक्कत वाली बात नहीं है। बट यहाँ पे जोहान्सबर्ग में कुछ एरिया ऑफ कोर्स ऐसे हैं जहाँ पे भाई आप कहीं नहीं घूम सकते हो, वो अलग सीन है। वहाँ पे तो रात को निकलना ही बहुत मुश्किल है, बट ये जो सैंटन है यहाँ पे फिर भी पॉसिबल। So guys, today is second day in Joburg and I'm still in Sandton. So this road is literally all the hotels, and today I'm not alone. I have someone with me. Hello.
Hi,
What's up? You good?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good too. You are in Joburg for vacation or you live here?
Vacation.
Vacation.
I don't live here.
Okay. So we both are tourists in this city. Let's go. So guys, see these big buildings. Most of them are hotel and then they have some shops also inside. But as I told you, most building in Joburg are empty. I don't understand why, like there is nobody. Most of the buildings are totally empty in this town. I hope Cape Town is much more vibrant, but Joburg is so empty. And delivery guys here, they use bike also. So can you see, this looks like America totally. It's so developed, as I've told you. And we were here even yesterday. So tomorrow we'll go on adventure in Joburg. Right now we are just in the safe area, that's it. So let's go, trying to find something to eat. And yeah. As you know, we are walking here and my friend just told me that this street is the only street that he knows in Joburg which is safe.
Not entirely true.
Eh?
Not entirely.
Yeah, you just said that.
Not entirely true.
Guys, the only street which is safe is this one because it's for tourists
Not entirely true. There are other safer streets
as well.
yeah, than this one, but I only know this one.
You
But
only
I'm-
know this
I
one.
only know this one. I'm sure there are other
I think-
streets that are safer than this one.
Rosebank also is safe.
Yeah, I was in West Bank
Yeah.
2 hours ago. It's safe.
Okay, that's good. And have you been robbed in South Africa? Please tell us. No, see, Lauren, me as an Indian, I can be robbed, but I want to tell my viewers if black people also get robbed or not.
Everyone gets robbed in South Africa.
So you have been robbed in South
Yeah,
Africa.
sure.
Guys, he lost $800 in South Africa last time. As an African, he was robbed here in this country. So imagine the condition of an Indian. I don't know. $800.
Everyone can get robbed here. Everyone.
And your phone also gone or no?
No, I had my phone.
Oh, just the money.
Everyone can get robbed here.
Anybody can get robbed,
Yeah, sure.
no matter what color or whatever.
Yeah, but you know, the thing is,
Hmm.
it's just like any other city in the world.
No.
You have to be.
No,
You have to
you
play
cannot
safe.
say that. No. In every other city in the world, at least you can walk every street, and robbing is once in a while. Here
Yeah.
you cannot even walk. It's not like every other city.
No, it's like another city in the world.
No, 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 no. No.
You have
I
to place it.
disagree.
You disagree.
I disagree. Totally disagree.
But you know, South Africa is a good place. It is really a good place. It is really a good place.
Maybe.
In terms of the crime, you know,
Eh.
criminals are everywhere.
No, 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 no.
Criminals
no.
are in Kenya, then Tanzania.
But
We should edit, but we should remove that.
yeah, Kenyans nowadays are becoming very dishonest. You agree?
I'll exercise my right to remain silent.
Guys, so what Kenya is becoming now in Nairobi, so that is Joburg since last many years. So Kenya is transferring itself in the same way. There are crimes, much more crimes in Nairobi nowadays, especially with the young generation. So that's more extreme in Joburg. You can now imagine the situation. So guys, today we came to Indian restaurant in Joburg. The restaurant name is Punjabi Tadka. It's right there on the board. And this is how the restaurant looked like. So let's eat. I'm little bit hungry and I'll talk to you guys after we have food. We came here by Uber because it was like 1.5 kilometer far away, but you can walk also because Santon is safe. Guys, it's evening time and we are taking the Uber. उम्मीद है कि भाई कोई दिक्कत वाली बात नहीं होगी.